Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In here can you're looking for OfferUp. So all you just click here on search, then here add over app here, then you click here on your app. So then it's going to show for you list like this. Click here on force stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.